our version of Marshmallow Krispies with brown butter. So here's what we got, y'all. We've got some brown butter, and what you're doing, and Rach has talked about this many times, all the butter solids are in there, and they got caramelized and delicious. So this is about three-quarters of a stick, Rach. We take about three-quarters of a bag of marshmallows, and we dump the little marshmallows in there because they can evenly melt all the way through.
Yeah, they melt down quicker. I love browning the butter. It makes it taste nutty. It gives a different layer of flavor.
It's that one thing where you can say it's really your kind of a crispy treat. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So another way of doing it, a lot of people are always worried about putting it in a pan and melting it. I do a double boiler. Once you have the brown butter here, and then you just double boil the marshmallows, and you can walk away and you can play with this little one on an iPad over here or do whatever you need to do. So here's how, bless you, baby girl. Bless you.
God bless you.
We're going to dump in our marshmallows and our brown butter, and oh, dear God, this is so good. So this mixture goes inside here, Rach. And then what we're going to do is I put two different cereals in mine. I take a corn cereal, which is about 1 cup. I'll throw that inside there.
Like cornflakes, like flakes, you mean?
Exactly. I like that juxtaposition of the little pops of rice that we get, and then you get the flaky corn cereal, and then it just kind of balances it out. And we take some rice cereal, which is about 2 parts to 1 part the corn cereal. You can mix it up any kind of color that you guys want. Here's the trick. You need to get this guy together now before you start adding those hot ingredients. So here we go. We have now made our crispy base. So now the cool part about it to make it holidays is I have candy canes, and if you don't like your partner, have them peel 12 of these out of the wrapper and see how it's going after that. You know, if you love them, don't worry about it. So here's the next level of what we're gonna do. I have pretzels and candy canes, and here's another thing. I've never figured out how to use this large dowel that somebody sent me years ago. So, and I don't know why, I keep the most awkward stuff. Now all you do is you double roll these guys, you crush them up,
nice,
right? And I double bag them. And here's the cool part, guys. Now you're gonna add your sweetened candy canes, which makes it that peppermint flavor. You're gonna add the salt. Oh, the salty Rachael Ray, Ryan Scott kind of food that comes with pretzels. So we're gonna add some pretzels go inside here.
My head's gonna explode, Ryan. I can't take it.
Coated candy. Hold on, a little coated candy. A little bit of white chocolate goes in there too. What you do is you mix these bad boys up. The whole thing comes together, Rach.
Oh my God.
Right? So what you do, love, is you take it and you put it in a spray line pan. So what I have here is you just go like so. And the whole delicious mess, which is kind of like my college name, delicious mess, I guess. So you take the whole thing here, you smash it all together, and I take some gloves, guys, and I just press them down to make sure that it's all in the corner, and then they come out like this. Drum roll. Hey, Olive, it's gonna come out, right? No? All right. Thanks, babe. Oh, it did. Thank God. Okay. I made this last night, so I just wanted to make sure. So what's cool is... Right? Come on, Rach. Use this photo when you text me. This will come up every time.
Oh my God, you look amazing.
All right, snowflake cutter.
Shut up, snowflakes.
I can't shut up. I'm trying to do a cooking segment with you. All right, so this is what I learned last night. If these get too hard, you ready? Where's your hubby at? Where's is he close?
Come
All right, John, come here. All right, check this out. If you can't push this, hey, John, if you can't push this down and get it done, take the largest, most obscene bottle of whatever booze you have, and then these little snowflakes come out.
Oh, wow.
So what I did was I put them in a bag with my little love note that we did out of the back
on this cereal box.
And then I slide it in here with the whole kit, Rach. And what I did was I took the candy canes that you get all the candies in, and I filled them with the white chocolate and the marshmallows. And then I put the whole kit together. And I don't know if you noticed this, but it needed a little backdrop in the bag.
I know that magazine. I've seen that before.